Good morning everyone. Welcome to my new initiative in which we are going to learn problem solving with their explanation about C programming. Today's topic is print an integer entered by the user. In this example, we will learn how to print an integer input by the user. We will ask the user to enter a number and then we will print the given number to the screen. चलिए देखते हैं। जैसे कि हमारा कोड है हैज़ इंक्लूड studio.h। studio.h क्या है? हमारा एक हेडर फाइल है। studio.h means to say standard input and output. Then we write int main function. Inside the curly bracket we will write int number printf scanf, then return 0, then curly bracket close. Printf enter an integer. Printf within a small bracket within a inverted comma we will enter an integer, then small bracket close, then semicolon. Reads and store the input. Scanf within a small bracket within a inverted comma we will write %d, then comma, then %, then number, then small bracket close, then we write semicolon. Displays output. Printf within a small bracket within a inverted comma you entered %d, then comma, then number, then small bracket close, then we will write semicolon, then return 0, then semicolon, then curly bracket close. Printf is used to display the output and scanf is used to read the inputs. Printf and scanf functions are declared in a studio.h header files in a C library. Printf is used to display the output and scanf is used to read the input. Printf and scanf functions are declared in a studio.h header file in a C library. Int. The int data type can store whole numbers from this negative value to that positive value. In general and in our tutorial, the int data type is the preferred data type when we create variables within a numeric value. इंट क्या है? हमारा एक डाटा टाइप है जो कि एक होल नंबर को कंटेन करता है, स्टोर करता है फ्रॉम दिस नेगेटिव वैल्यू टू दिस पॉजिटिव वैल्यू। चलिए हम इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन को भी देख लेते हैं। इन फर्स्ट लाइन गिवन दैट इन दिस प्रोग्राम वी फर्स्ट declare a variable number to store the input. In second line we ask the user to input an integer and stored it in the variable number using the following statement. Scanf within a small bracket within a inverted comma %d, then comma, then %, then number, then small bracket close, then semicolon. Here in first line, first number, scanf is a function that asks for the input, in this case from a user. Scanf is a function that asks for input, in this case from a user. Second point, %d specifies that we are asking for an integer. Similarly, we use %c for characters, %f for float, and so on. And %number specifies to store the input into the variable number. And here give the address of the variable number in the memory. This basically tells the compiler to store the input in the computer memory. You must include ampersand for this program to work properly. Finally, we use the printf function to print the input integer value. In next line, printf within a small bracket within inverted comma you entered %d in comma number, then small bracket close. Thank you all for watching our videos. Please go and subscribe our channel, like the videos, and give information to your friends about our channel. Thank you so much to you all.